How to set cellular network, personal hotspot, APN, username and password on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Cellular. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Cellular Data Network. And then go to the Personal Hotspot and fill in the APN information, username, and password. Now the APN access point name settings are specific to your mobile network provider. They are used to connect your device to the internet via cellular data. And typically, you don't need to manually input a username and password for a personal hotspot. Your device automatically uses the APN setting provided by your carrier. However, if you are experiencing issues with your personal hotspot or need to manually configure it, you can contact your carrier for a specific APN setting for your plan. So after you have filled in the information, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.